Welcome back from Simmer to Sizzle. I'm Nikki. This is Jacob.
And today... Come on, keep going.
Welcome back to From Simmer to Sizzle. That's Nikki. I'm Jacob.
What are we doing today?
Today we're doing a really simple kind of dessert recipe. Something...
It's a s'mores quesadilla.
Pretty much, yeah. All we're going to do is take this tortilla, put some hazelnut spread on it, put some peanut butter on it, and then do kind of like one area with, what do we got?
We got almonds, and we got animal crackers,
and marshmallows.
And we have marshmallows.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to bake it for a while, or if you don't got no patience and you rather boil it, you can broil it.
Broil, not boil.
I said broil. Anyway, yeah, and we're going to show you guys a cool way to fold this. So, Here we go.
So we're making one cut from the center to the outside so that we can do that. All we're going to do is fold it once like that, and then like that, and over again, so you get this nice triangle with a pocket, kind of. But we're just going to put some stuff in it before we do that.
Yep.
So first, let's get hazelnut.
I don't even like peanut butter.
Well, this isn't peanut butter.
This one's mine.
Okay.
I like lots of hazelnut.
Yeah, I know.
Lots of hazelnut.
I almost think I should have grabbed a spoon or something.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. I'm just trying to get it nice and evenly spread.
Uh-oh, peanut butter.
Here, do you want to put the peanut butter on there?
Yeah.
That way you can put as much as you...
We're good now.
Do you just want to do hazelnut on the whole thing? Is that a yes?
No, under a little bit. I ain't afraid of no peanut butter.
Oh. You licked it.
No,
I still have to use this.
I did not really lick it. I did not actually lick it. I pretended I was going to lick it. I swear I did not lick it.
Alright, let's get this
Do you see any peanut butter?
Let's get this stuff to put on here.
I did not do that. I
We
swear.
got almonds, chopped slivered almonds. We got marshmallows.
I don't even like marshmallows.
You don't like anything that's
I
going
do
on.
not like marshmallows, and I barely like these things.
These are animal crackers.
I know.
So what do you want on there?
I want just a lot of the almonds, because almonds are good for you. Ow! Ooh. Can't forget one.
Okay. That's good. Remember, it's going to end up like a s'more.
Oh yeah,
That's why you got to put the marshmallows on there.
I like my marshmallows burnt.
Well, that's not going to happen this time.
Burnt all the way.
I understand that. This is just going to go in the oven and bake, so they're not going to be burnt. Okay.
Yes, they will. Can I make yours? Since you're making mine. Huh? Can I?
Okay. I feel like we need to have something here, too.
Yeah. Yeah.
You didn't put any peanut butter there.
So how about some strawberries?
No.
How about some banana?
It's a s'more.
How about some more chocolate?
The good thing about this is it's freeform. You can kind of do whatever.
Yep. I made sandwiches like this for a long time. Because I saw someone on TikTok take a tortilla like this and like cut it from the middle to the edge. And then they put like lunch meat and then like mayonnaise or whatever you prefer on your sandwich. And it's actually pretty good.
Yeah, that's where this folded tortilla thing started. It's from a TikTok trend. Alright. I think we're good now. So let's fold it.
I'm scared. I'm not going to be eating this.
Not bad. Okay. What we're going to do is we've got a tray with foil on it. We're going to spray it, put that on there, and then we're going to do mine. Put it seam side down.
This side, right?
Yep, from the center to the bottom. Perfect.
Jacob likes hazelnut.
I like peanut butter more.
Like that?
Yeah. Go all the way to the, because you want to do half of it with hazelnut on it.
Okay.
And then the peanut butter.
Ugh. No peanut butter. Oh, Jacob.
I'll put that in the sink.
No, I'm doing this. This side?
Yeah, the other half.
The whole other half?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you only did a quarter on yours.
I'm doing it. Get out.
Done.
Do you even like almonds?
I don't mind. Go wash your hands. Or not. That's fine.
No, I'm making it.
No. Okay, can I fold it down?
No, I fold it.
Uh,
I'm making it. Okay, you can do it.
okay. All right.
Speed it up.
Spray the top.
If you wouldn't mind, let's speed it up.
All right. Mine is on the right, yours is on the left.
Mine's on the right.
No.
I'm always right. So mine goes on the right.
Okay. Whatever.
Just play this right.
Thanks. What did you say?
I said, turn the tray.
All right. It's gonna go what, 5 or 6 minutes? 5 minutes. Let's see if we can.
Why do you do it on the microwave?
Because the oven timer sometimes turns off the oven.
Why?
I don't know.
Get a new one.
Because you don't know how to do it right.
That's why, because you don't know how to do it.
Let's try to get the drink done before the s'mores are done. This is a bourbon slush. We used our big old pickling jar. I don't know who suggested it. Someone from my dad. I don't know his name. What's his name?
Eric Scott.
Is that your boss?
Eric Scott.
The boss is watching? So today we have our drink.
And we got it from one of our old employees.
We got it from one of our old employees.
Rizzo.
Jessica Rizzo. And we have to be all prim and proper because it's going to the boss. Matt's a great worker, by the way. I really do recommend him.
Just drink your slush.
What's in it?
Apple juice.
Apple soup?
No.
Apple juice.
None of that.
So there's a little bit of lemonade, a little bit of orange juice, a little bit of bourbon, and a little bit of apple.
It was, yes, 4 cups of sweet tea, 3 cups of bourbon, which was almost an entire bottle. We had 1 frozen, like 12-ounce container of orange juice concentrate and 2 frozen containers of lemonade concentrate, as well as 3 quarts of water.
Yep, but you have to make it the night before so
Yeah.
that it can slush
So that
overnight.
it can freeze up and
become
become
slush.
this. There's got to be a better way to do this.
We
I
got
was thinking a bucket instead of.
we have B-roll, so we'll show y'all. how we made it.
Bucket?
So our bourbon slush is no longer in a pickle jar. It's actually in a food container, and we put it in the freezer because it was too much. So today we're gonna.
It's not a very strong drink. I mean, it was an entire bottle of bourbon.
It
But
tastes.
do you know how much other liquid was in there?
Yeah, it was like 20 cups. The bourbon's only 3 cups.
It's
Yeah, it's like
it
nothing.
really isn't very strong. It tastes more like orange juice.
No, it
than
tastes like
anything
apple
else.
juice.
It kind of tastes like apple juice for some reason.
Goes down easy and get ya.
It really does. This would be good to like sit outside and drink.
Yeah, like go swimming. I want to go swimming. I'm going swimming. After our pictures, yes, I am.
She wants to do everything today. Anyway, our I don't even know what these are called. S'more quesadillas.
Yeah.
These are done. These are in the oven for a couple minutes, nice and golden brown,
We broiled them.
and they
At
will
the
be
end.
an absolute nest.
I'm trying to lose weight, not gain it, so. Jacob's gonna eat mine.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. How is it? Is it good? What does it taste like?
You gotta try it. That's the whole point of the show.
Okay, but I need it. Where do I start?
You didn't get nothing. How is it, Jen? Do you like the flavors?
It's too hot.
Tastes like a fluffernutter, like peanut butter and marshmallow fluff on a sandwich. Because that's most of what's in here is peanut butter and marshmallow fluff. Yeah, I don't even taste it until. I found one of them on the roof of my mouth. Didn't taste much of it. I mean, half of this thing is Nutella and almonds. You would think that I taste it, but I don't.
This is good to eat if Mother Nature's coming soon on this.
It's good. It's really easy too. Anyway,
We gotta go so we can go take some pictures and swimming and bike riding. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please share this video with all your friends and all your family and your dog and your cats and your fish and your guinea pigs and your bunnies and everybody else that's in your house. And yeah, love you guys so much. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. And go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see us make in the future. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Oh yeah, I killed